Hello folks, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today's channel, right, we'll be visiting the most powerful house in history. In front of me, this is the Topkapi Palace. It's said that inside this palace, there's over 400 rooms, including private dark rooms that we'll be visiting later at the end of the video. There's lots of collections of imperial treasures, there's sacred Islamic relics, stunning weapons, artifacts. There's also treasuries, jewelries, all this from the old Ottoman Empire days. Let's go through it to see what can we find here. Right now, we are entering the lush and peaceful garden of the Sultans. We are on our way going in through to the inner castle, and later on we will be visiting the underground chambers where the guards and servants lies in silence. Stick around because at the end we will find the secret harem, and I will show you where the Sultan moms, the most powerful woman in the empire, actually lives. So we have visited the first courtyard. Entering through this wall, now we have reached the second courtyard. To be at this area, you have to be someone special. If not, your access will definitely be denied through the first wall. Now I want to show you guys all these trees. All these are century-old plane trees, cypress trees. They are old history, probably older than you or me. So lush and green that you'll forget that this garden was actually where the elite soldiers used to line up. They'll be marching here, they'll be eating here. This is the garden where the place of soldier were residents. Now is the time to enter the key area. The two guards in the red sure looks fierce. Really hard to believe, right, that this entire area had survived over 1,500 earthquakes and 1,600 issues of fire. Right now, we are entering the audience chamber. But to be honest, it looks more like a bedroom to me than an audience chamber. Next up, we have entered the showroom for all these clothes. All these are imperial kaftans made of silk. All these silk robes are at least 500 years old or more. They are so thick and huge and heavy because they are designed to show status. So if you look like a giant silk tent, you are winning at the old ancient life. It's lots of color to go with. And if you realize that in the old Ottoman Empire, their culture is really colorful. They love different colors. Right, so we have finished the showroom, back into the main garden. We are minutes away from the dark side downstairs, but wait first, a cool place to showcase to you guys. We are gonna go through the imperial treasures. I mean, who is not excited over treasuries and wealth? Right now, we have entered another room where there's priceless swords, treasures, shoes, jewelries, lots of good stuff in here. And if you look closely, you'll realize that there's a lot of jewelries old implant into all these potteries and swords. But first, let's check out this entire view of the Bosphorus Sea. This is probably the area where the Sultan will drink his coffee while watching his navy sail by. Now, let's go back to the showcase of the treasuries. There's more swords, shields, helmets from the soldiers, all painted in gold and jewelries. Really impressive. Any piece here are all worth in millions or even billions of dollars. Now, leaving the gold and the treasuries aside, let's move on to the next area before we visit the dark side of the castle. We will be visiting the living quarters for the Sultan. And here we are. This is the actual living quarters where the whole family of the Sultans, his wives, concubines, children were actually living at here. This is the sacred area of the entire castle because it protects directly his entire family. Located at the heart of the entire castle, where guards are heavily surrounding it to protect this private residence. It's really impressive to see how the most powerful person in the centuries old live. So now we are just strolling through the garden And next, we will be moving to see the dark secret of this entire castle. The place where people, they are working behind the scenes, how this castle is being functioned. As promised, we will be visiting the dark side of this castle. Walk with me as we stroll down to the site. It's going to be quite a distance to walk, and this castle is really big. Heading towards here is the correct direction, where we will be visiting the back of the garden, the place where we will be looking at how things are functioning behind the scenes. Right, so here we are. Now that we are heading down to this dark and tiny stairs, this is the place where the atmosphere of this entire castle shifts. Look at this miserable area. This is the place where the security guards and servants actually live. With a tiny specks of the sky, imagine being the guard of the most powerful man on earth, but you live in a small stone room with just a size of an iPad. But keep walking, because right now this entire vibe just changed again. This whole place just got grand, because this is the place where the mother of the Sultan actually lives. She was the real boss. Her size of the room is unbelievable. So this whole design is very interesting, where the rich and the poor, the powerful and the weak are all mixed together. So if you think this palace is crazy, you need to visit my other travel videos on Turkey. There's lots of other foods and vibe not to be missed. Subscribe for more content.